My name is John Bevier, and I work for IsoAcoustics. We are a Canadian manufacturer. We're based in Markham, which is in the greater Toronto area. We started business back in 2012, so we're here for 13 years, and we are distributed in 70 countries globally. We have relationships with over 70 manufacturers that use our product on an OEM basis. So they build our product into their equipment racks, their components, and their loudspeakers. What we're doing here today is doing a single variable substitution to demonstrate how effective our isolators are used with loudspeaker installations. And to do that, we're going to use a scientific single variable substitution. What I mean by that is my loudspeakers, I have two pair of monitor audio 300S. One is in black. This is out of the box, no modifications, no nothing. And you'll notice down on the outriggers, there is a spike that sits on the floor and on the carpet. Now, that's the black pair. Now, the walnut pair is exactly the same model, same everything, only now down here, the isolator is our new Gaia Neo Model 3. So what we're going to do is play music from this streamer DAC. It's a Cambridge Audio EXN and an EXA integrated amplifier. These are mid to upper level Cambridge products. I think this is retail about $2,300 for each one. The loudspeakers are $2,400 the pair. So this would be considered a nice medium level high resolution audio system. We're introducing at this show our newest isolator. This is an example of what we've been selling for about 10 years now. This is the Gaia Model 3, and this one is the new Gaia Neo Model 3. These are quite a bit different in their size, and their construction is an evolutionary improvement from the Gaia 3 to the Gaia Neo 3. We've made installing these on the bottoms of your speakers or the little outriggers that usually stick out from some speakers. There's a post that goes in here, and you just screw that right up into the speaker until it goes a nice, good friction fit. You'll notice at the top there's a very nice rubber ring that will compress as you turn that tighter and tighter. We want to make sure that you use the IsoAcoustics logo pointing towards you, or in this instance, because I have them on both sides, towards the back. I don't want you to go 45 degrees off axis, because the isolator is less effective when it's turned off axis than it is straight. So assembling this into the speaker is very, very easy. And what we used to be able to have to do with nuts and locking washers is adjust the height. And now we have a very, very high precision height adjustment. So you can see the isolator comes down as I rotate this bottom stainless steel flange. And it's a perfect 1-to-1 ratio where one 360-degree revolution is 1 millimeter in distance. So you can level your speakers on an uneven floor, or if your speakers are close, if you're sitting close to your speakers and your speakers are tall, you can pick up the rear of the speaker, elevate the rear a little bit, and tip the tweeter towards you. Or if you have smallish speakers, sort of petite floor standards, and you're 15 feet away, you can actually raise the front and aim the tweeter spray towards your ear. So you get very, very, very precise capacity to level and aim your speaker. And that's a big sonic improvement. The actual isolator itself has been redesigned a bit. Here's the view of both. So here's the Neo. You can see the thickness is a little bit different. The pad diameter is different. There is an area right in here that's dished out, so when I come into contact with, say, a smooth floor or concrete or linoleum or anything like that, I'll actually get a little bit of a vacuum suction that will anchor the isolator to the floor, further improving sonic performance. So we're excited about this new transition, this new evolution. We'll start to ship the new Neos, and there's 3 series in the Gaia Neo, and then another 3 models up in the Gaia Titan Neo series. We'll start shipping those in about 3 weeks. And there is going to be a little bit of a higher price in the cost of the new Neos. For one, these are designed both for 72 pounds maximum, and you can see the actual material, the amount of quantity of stainless steel is quite a bit more in the Neo. So that's the justification of the 30%, 35% more retail price than the original. So that's what we're so excited about, and that is what we are demonstrating at the 2025 Audio Advice Live event here down in Raleigh, North Carolina. Now let's go and actually do a demonstration so that you can experience what everybody else that's been at the show can experience. So I have an infrared device which allows me to change the speaker's channels. And when we're doing the demonstration, when this green light is on, we are listening to the walnut speakers with our isolators. When I turn the light off, I've switched to the black speakers with the traditional out-of-the-box spikes. When the votes are made, I'll not make more. When the votes are made, I'll know. We were formed from a small set of emotions.
I'll show